Hi, my name is Yassine and I am the instructor of this PMP 35 hours master course. I have designed this course just for one single objective: you pass the PMP. I have used this whiteboard to explain all concepts and techniques with no fluff, straight to the point. So you don't need to go anywhere else. Here you will find all the information that you need to pass the PMP. This course is adapted to all levels and backgrounds, and I have included all the information you need, from explaining the materials to showing the main keywords to demonstrating questions until giving tips to the exam and common scenarios. If you are wondering from where to start in order to get your PMP, you are in the right place. Follow this course and get your PMP 35 hours from now.